Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is February 1st, 2020. February 1st, 2024. Here is another daily analysis for today. So market had a nice move to the upside. Just after hours, it just came up with earnings for Meta, Amazon, and Apple. And all three beat the expectation. And that's why market just went up to the upside. S&P 500 hit new all-time high today at 49.36, closing right now. Seems like this is a good momentum still for now, but I should say, again, a market is due for a corrective move, for a sharp corrective move. Yesterday's sell-off actually just engulfed by today's candle. Actually, let me check out the volume today. I'm not sure what was the volume, but yesterday volume was pretty heavy, 125 million. Today volume was just 81 million. So 81 million volume for SPY, which is kind of like interesting to see how market is going up based on the light volume, but sell off pretty sharp in heavy volume. So yesterday, 125 million, I believe. That was kind of like a shakeout. And still looking for more corrective move. Again, choppiness is not finished. I know today candle, especially after hours, was pretty amazing. Substantial move to the upside. But this market still is under pressure by Federal Reserve. So Federal Reserve can still increase the pressure. Yesterday, they announced that we don't want to do rate cuts soon just because inflation is sticky and inflation is here. And until get better data from inflation, we are not going to move the rate down to the lower rates. So that was pretty sharp news to the market, pretty surprising. But market today just came up, digest a bit, and kind of like open up with optimism. And even after hours, it goes higher. Momentum wise, we are kind of like in very, very light momentum. If you see that here, we are having a divergence here between this high, and this high. So this is kind of like a pre-drive bearish pattern is forming. And if you just see the indicators, the other indicators, even RSI, it shows you the same thing. If you use the Fibonacci retracement here, if I want to show you here, so we are kind of like at very, very interesting level from this low to this first top. 27% didn't react very well. So from here to here again, so if we use Fibonacci retracement from this low, again, we are getting back to 27, 38% Fibonacci retracement. So actually, let me just bring it down here. Yes, 27, 38% Fibonacci. Today, we just touched 50%. So all in all, I should say this divergence, when this divergence getting active, it kind of like a brutal for the market. But right now, we will give market benefit of doubt for the bullish momentum. 4,700 is going to be your benchmark. And right now, market is just moving higher. If it goes below 4,700, I should say the ugly sell-off is coming. And that's going to be a good buying opportunity. Still waiting for that one. So sit tight, be patient. I know that lots of people are saying, hey, Ali, you're just telling us since the beginning of the January. Yes, I am patient. I was waiting for sell-off to initiate when we were kind of like, this is the March consolidation going all the way to July, coming back down to the March level. And market gives you a fantastic buying opportunity once in 2023. And look, the rally after that. So we should just buy once, but we need to be very, very certain and sure about the market, about our position, and about the level that we are getting it. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like a rocket star, especially after hours. This is hourly chart. As you see here, Meta and Amazon just boost the Nasdaq to the higher level. Still, we are below these tops here, but pretty good wild price action. So we will see how it's going to open tomorrow. I should say tomorrow we should see some kind of like a bullish momentum for Amazon and Meta as well. I'm not sure for Apple. We will get to those ones as well, but Nasdaq, pretty good momentum to the upside. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow actually kind of like mixed because during the session it was kind of like a light, but after Apple earning and also healthcare actually did very well, especially gold miners actually did very well, and industrial did well as well. So Dow just moved higher, and now 38,511 closed, and pretty close to new all-time high. So we will see how it goes with Dow, but right now we should see some kind of like chop here again down the road. Just be careful about the market. This is my highest level, like a 40,000 for the top for the year end. But right now we are at 38, just a 1500 above it. It's going to be my top level, which is interesting because I didn't expect this one is happening. So that's why I'm just looking for a corrective move, because if this correction is coming, it's going to give us another rally, a good rally, actually substantial one to the 40,000, which is going to be great risk to reward. So that's what I'm looking for the market. Moving on to gold, which a nice move to the upside. Gold just to finish at 2040, and right now it's just paved its way for 2100. Closing candle was a 2055, and the 2055 is interesting enough because we got into this pivot. Still looking for kind of like a moving upside to 2100. 2100, we should see some chop here, consolidation for a next substantial move to uh, higher price. So I'm still looking for second half of this year is going to be a fantastic move for gold and gold miners. So we will see how it goes. Crude is coming down today. So crude had a negative day. Geopolitical tensions actually just reducing, thanks God. So we had kind of like a back and forth news for the ceasefire in Gaza. So we will see if that happens. That's going to be kind of like a bad news for bullish on crude, which is good news for everyone because everyone just tired of this war and hope everything goes well over there. So crude can go down to 61 to 65. You asked me. So due to geopolitical tension decreases, we can see some lower prices in crude as well. Also, we got just bare reversal 2 days ago. So this is kind of like a follow-up for that one. If it get below 70, 61 to 65 is coming down the road. Moving on to individual names, starting with BIT. BIT had a nice retracement today. So it's kind of like a pullback. Right now, it's just forming a bullish consolidation. So if this bullish consolidation continues, I should say a downside move can be faded and we can see another higher move. I'm kind of like a suspicious, still looking for this area as a good buying opportunity. Again, I'm not going to chase the price, so I will wait for price to come to my level. So still waiting for these levels to see if market gives us a good buying opportunity. Yield, doji bar, nothing spectacular. TLT just moved up and gapped up today. So pretty nice, 1.63% to the upside, $1.58. If TLT close above this top, 105, actually 101, 101 to 103, then 105 is coming down the road. So we'll see how it goes. VIX coming out today, not a bad session compared to Nasdaq and S&P, um, a green candle. Dixie coming down today as well. So I think this is going to be distribution rather than bullish consolidation. So if it goes below 102, lower Dixie is coming down the road. So we will see. I was looking for another pop, then sell off. Seems like market just started its sell off early, and that would be kind of like coming to our analysis because I'm looking for weaker dollar down the road. So I'm not looking for a stronger dollar down the road. Weaker dollar is coming. Federal Reserve, sooner or later, they're going to do rate cuts. People are talking about the month, March, June, whatever, but they're doing rate cuts. So rate cut means lower yield is coming, lower Dixie is coming, higher gold price is coming down the road. A magma indicator, fantastic move after hours. It goes to the new all-time high. Apple goes lower. Earning was good, but China or Chinese earning actually was bad. So seems like the revenue and earning in China actually did not well, and the market just sold off after hours. It goes to 181. If it gets below this, I should say the next level is coming, and it's going to be a good first and second buying opportunity. So we will see how it goes. Moving to Amazon. Amazon, nice move to the upside after hours. Right now, it's just to go below 160, 170, but pretty fantastic move to the upside. Beat the earning nicely, kind of like a 20% pop today on the earning. That's a fantastic earning. Meta, fantastic move. Look at that. After earnings, it goes to 450. I don't short this one. I'm just kind of like a scaling out, but I still keep the majority of my position here. Right now, Meta is kind of like around a 5% in my portfolio is Meta. And I should say this is pretty interesting to see how it goes to the higher price. Moving on to Microsoft, which kind of like a positive, but positive after hours as well. Google going up as well. Just a bit, and after hours it goes higher. I think bearish consolidation gives us another selling opportunity. Netflix goes down, goes up today, just at $3.40. Consolidating here, Netflix is in weekly supply area. So everyone needs to be careful about this because this supply area is very, very strong. It is weekly, it is breakout level. Tesla still struggling with this bottom. So we will see if this forms upside. $1.57 up today. Semiconductors, not bad today. So after yesterday doji, they had followed through today, going up $1.70 up. Stocks, the same pattern, $2.90 up. Taiwan Semiconductor coming back up today. AMD was nice, moving higher. Even after hours, it goes above 170, 173. NVIDIA, new all-time high after hours. That's pretty interesting. This stock doesn't want to go down and keeps going higher and higher. Texas Instruments, nice candle today. So Texas shows us the bottom is there at least for Texas. When this one forms the bottom, this means the semis actually are going to do well as well. Lam Research, Doji Bar, nothing spectacular. Financials, they just had a mixed session today. XLF 6 cents up today, but look at the candle. Candle was pretty ugly at the early session. It goes back up nicely, and even after hours, it goes higher. Hold up pretty well for now. But KBE, look at the candle coming all the way down, touch this demand area, rejected nicely, going bounce to the upside. KRE, the same pattern. It goes to this demand area, even goes lower, and then rejecting nicely and bounce back up. Oops. JP Morgan, actually. This one, not a bad session. So Doji Bar, after hours, it goes higher. Goldman Sachs coming down, Bank of America coming down, Wells Fargo coming down sharply. So gap down and then continue sell-off. So as I said, banks are kind of like a mix. Everyone needs to be careful. This sector is overbought, and we should just be patient on this for a corrective move for the next buying opportunity. Gold miners had a fantastic move today. GDX, as I said, when this one is starting to move higher, it's going to outperform the market. And I believe the cycle is getting closer and closer, and we should see some kind of like April afterwards. I'm just looking for a very, very explosive move to the upside for gold and gold miners. GDX, $1.09 up. GDXJ, just juniors, 4% up today, so $1.41 up. AEM, $1.45 up. Even after hours, it goes higher. Newmont, $1.10 up. Not a bad session at all. Franco-Nevada going higher. 110 needs to go above 114 to have explosive move to 122. Gold Barrick, 29 cents up. Not a bad session. Moving on to XLE, which is a Spider Energy coming down today. XOP coming down, coming along with Crude, OIH as well, so 88 cents down. And also Exxon coming down. Chevron, just a bit higher, but look at the candle here. It's pretty weak. So I'm just looking for a lower low for this sector to get a buying opportunity from them. Still early, still looking for, just be patient because the capitulation, when capitulation is coming, we are going to buy in. So we will see how it goes. Have a fantastic evening. Tomorrow we'll have a Friday session. That's going to be a weekly session as well. So see you all tomorrow. Have a good evening. Bye bye.